Prerequisite for activation. Navigate to settings using menu button. Select Settings. Select Driver Assistance. Select Auto Emergency Braking. Select Auto Emergency Braking and press the Enter button to turn the AAB system on. Select Forward Collision Warning and press the Enter button to turn the FCW system on. Select Warning Level to view the options for the Level 1 warning. Early, when this condition is selected, warning is provided at higher time to collision than normal setting. Normal, when this condition is selected, warning is provided at higher time to collision than late setting. Late, when this condition is selected, warning is provided at shorter time to collision. Notice: select Off and use the OK button to turn the AAB or FCW system off. When the AAB system is turned off, the AABS off telltale is displayed in instrument cluster. Collision possible. The driver is alerted to the risk of an imminent collision by first level of visual and audible warning. Collision warning. If the driver does not take any action or the driver braking force is not enough to mitigate collision, system issues the second level of visual and audible warning and applies partial braking. Emergency braking. After second level warning, if the driver does not take any action or driver braking force is not enough and risk of a collision is imminent, the system applies harder braking along with third level of visual and audible warning. When system has applied the brakes, a pop-up message will be displayed as automatic emergency braking completed. If any abnormal condition or limitation is detected by AAB system, driver is informed with telltale and information on cluster. In case of temporarily abnormal conditions due to camera sensor, AAB warning lamp will be on in yellow color and a pop-up message will appear in instrument cluster that automatic emergency braking function limited due to camera blockage. Contact Mahindra authorized dealer for assistance. Notice: in case of temporarily abnormal conditions due to radar sensor, AAB warning lamp will be on in yellow color and a pop-up message will appear in instrument cluster that automatic emergency braking disabled due to radar detection limitation. Contact Mahindra authorized dealer for assistance. Notice: a pop-up message will appear in instrument cluster that automatic emergency braking disabled, service required. Contact Mahindra authorized dealer for assistance. Notice: collision mitigation system limitations. Notice: collision mitigation system limitations.